Hello, thank you for watching. If you could subscribe or leave a like or leave a comment, I'd appreciate it very much. Thank you very much for watching. So today now I'm at the Ifor stock box with a knots, not sure if I was saying that right, hitch. Right, inside here there's a gas strut and it's gone weak, so it's sort of flopping, well, banging about and breaking like it wants to really, and when you go to reverse it locks up. So this is pushing in too easily. So got a new strut and the rubber's added, so a new rubber cover as well. So we hitch itself off, and looking here, see the strut there? So there's a pin going through here I'll have to hit out. So I've got a punch now and I'll go at it. So that extended out with quite a bit of pressure really. So next thing now is to take the other end of it off, so take these two for a sort of block there, but I think that block there is what screws onto that. So I unbolted that and pulled it out, and as you see the threaded side of this strut goes through this bracket here. So I'll have to take this off first and then pull it out the front there. So they're the same length, but the spurous one doesn't have extra ring here for this. So I've turned it backwards. It'll fit backwards now in this groove here. But I have to grind a bit off it for this hole. So this just holds it in the middle, I think. So better put it back. So the plastic cap on there comes off as well. So I had no hope of pushing it in under pressure there, because I bolted it back in because there's no access to push it from back. So I got a big G-clamp, and that pretty easily pushed it right back here. So I put a bolt through. I'll take this off because it's blocking this hole, and I'll knock that pin through, hopefully. And this new one was no good, so I don't get one the same. So that's it finished off. This new one was a bit flat of a packaging, so I reckon with midday heat now it should straighten itself out again. So this type now, the other one I had for this, you basically needed a cable tie here and a cable tie here to hold it. But this now has too much of a ramp on this, so a cable tie wouldn't actually hold on to it. So this type has a lump there for a header bolt, and a lump there for a bottom bolt, and that's what holds it on. So you have to have this type for this hitch then. So thank you for watching, and that's it from me for now then.